that smiley fruit head. C is for cat with a big loud meow. D is for dinosaur, let's stomp around now. Come on and sing from A to Z. The alphabet's a jamboree with dancing letters, fun and bright. We're learning loud and laughing right. E is for elephant, big and bold. F is for fish in waters cold. G is for giraffe, tall and proud. H is for hat, say it out loud. Wiggle to the rhythm, clap your hands. Let's learn letters across the lands. I is for ice cream, sweet delight. J is for jelly, it jiggles just right. K is for kite, that soars in the sky. L is for lion, hear that roar fly. Come on and A to Z. The alphabet's a jamboree with dancing letters, fun and bright. We're learning loud and laughing right. M is for moon that glows at night. N is for nest, tucked cozy and tight. O is for octopus with 8 arms to spare. P is for penguin with waddle and flare. Q is for queen with royal pose. R is for rainbow with colorful glows. S is for sun that shines so high. T is for turtle just strolling by. U is for umbrella on rainy days. V is F violin, music that plays. W is for whale, splashing with glee. X is for Xylophone, clinky melody. Y is for yo-yo, spinning around. Z is for zebra with stripes all around. We sang it all from A to Z, with rhymes and laughs and melody. So clap your hands and shout hooray. The alphabet made your awesome day.